students, welcome to today's class. In previous class we have discussed about angles and I think you have practiced at home. Come to page number 24. Page number 24, it is angle garden. I think we have discussed this also. You read it at your home and try to answer the questions in the next page. In page number 25, there are some questions that look for the birds which have beaks with small angles. This is just an value based question, so you can do it of your own. In next question is, in the pictures mark angles between the two branches. Which two branches have the biggest angle? This you have to find. Just mark which one is the biggest angle and then mark it and then find it. Now come to the next topic. Next topic is angles in names. Okay. Now angles in names, you have to find the names, how many angles they have. For example, one name is written over here. It is Sukhman. Sukhman, S-U-K-H-M-A-N. Sukhman. Here the number of right angles are 11. You can see in the book. Okay. And the number of angles which are less than 90 degree are 10. So from the name itself or from the book you can find it out which one is 90 degree, which one is less than 90 degree or which one is more than 90 degree. So after that in the question it is in next it is given again one question. Write three names using straight lines and count the angles. You have to write the three names, the space is provided, then you have to write the number of right angles, then next column will be more than right angles and next column will be less than right angles. Here I am writing two names and the last one you will write your own name and then you will find out that how many right angles are there and how many angles they are less than or more than 90 degree are there. Okay, suppose I am giving an example. I am giving one name like Maya. M-A-Y-A-N-K. Okay, I am writing the name Maya. You have to see how many angles are there. First, this forms an angle, this forms an angle, then this again forms an angle. You will count. Okay, these two are less than 90 degree and this one is 90 degree. Next, again this A is forming an angle, this one is forming angle, this is again forming an angle. Next, Y you can see he is making an angle here. Similarly, A again is making angle like this one A. N, one angle is here and the next angle is here. Okay, and then K, one angle you can see here and one angle you can see this one and this is again one small angle. Okay, so like this you will count and you will find that there are only one right angle. So you will write 1 where the space is provided. Only one right angle and then more than 90 degree are 8. You will count it and you can find there are 8 more than 90 degree. And 12 angles are less than 90 degree. Okay. So 1 is right angle, 8 is more than 90 and 12 is less than 90. Now second name I am giving you, suppose Akash. A-K-A-S then H. Here also it will make the different angles and you will see there are 5 right angles, 4 angles which are more than 90 degree and 8 angles which are less than 90 degree. Okay, and the last one you will write your own name and then you will find the angles, the 90 90-degree angles, then angles which are more than 90 degree, and angles which are less than 90 degree. Clear? After that, there is one activity. Activity is that you put 10 math magic books on top of each other. One by one you will keep the math magic book over one another, and you have to take it 10. Now do this with 6 books. Roll a ball from the top. From which slide does the ball roll down faster? You have to roll a ball, okay? Just roll a ball, and then you will find that from which slide does the ball roll. Means first you will keep 6 books, and next you will keep 10 books. So you have to find that whether the ball is sliding quickly with the 10 books, or with the 6 books. Clear? So you can see that the ball rolls down faster from the slide made by 10 books. Okay, made by 10 books means if you are keeping one over the other, the books, the one which you have kept 10, there the ball will roll down faster. And the next question is, which slide has the smaller angle? Means you have to find which slide. Either it is made by the 10 books or made by the 6 books. Which one is sliding is more angle? I think this will be the slide made by 6 books has the smaller angle. Okay, the slide made by 6 books has the smaller angle. Now come to next page, page number 26. Okay, page number 26. See here, 2 slides are drawn. The picture of 2 slides are given. These are 2 slides in a park. Okay, and the question is, which slide has a larger angle? You have to find which slide has a larger angle. See, which one has a larger angle? The slide first has a larger angle. Okay, the slide first one which is given, that is the larger angle. Now next question is, which slide do you think is safer for the little boy, and why? Either the first one or the second one. Which one is safe for the boy? You have to find. Yes, naturally it will be the second one, because as slide 1 has a larger angle and stepper than slide 2, so there will be more chances for the boy to get hurt because it is straight. Whereas the second one, while the sliding on slide first will be not safe for the boy. Okay, thus slide number 2 would be safer for the boy to play. Okay, so these are the questions of page 26. Now come to the next topic. Next topic is changing shapes. In this changing shapes, one activity is given. Okay, in this activity the different types of shapes are made with the help of matchstick and the tube. Okay, now come to page number 27. In page 27 there are different shapes. See, the different shapes in the book it is given, which is made by the tube pieces or by the matchstick. The first one, it has 4 angles. Okay, the next one, number B, it has 5 angles because 5 matchsticks are used. Then C, it has 6 angles. Now find out how many angles are these in each of these shapes. Mark them. You will mark in the book. Okay, it is very easy, so you will mark it, and you know that first one, 4 sides, so 4 angles. Number B, 5 sides, so 5 angles. Number C, 6 sides, so 6 angles. Now next one is, now push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger. Now just tip of your finger, you push it downwards. Does the angle change when pushed down by the finger? Means if you are pushing down the shapes with your finger, is there any change? Find out and write your results in the table given below. Just you have to write the results. First shape is the hexagon shape. Means hexagon shape, when you are just pressing it, is there any change in the angle? Yes, there will be change in the angle. Okay. Now since second one, it is pentagon. Pentagon, 5 shapes are there. When you are pressing it, there will be change in the angles. Similarly in quadrilateral, means in the square. Again, if you are pressing it, there will be change of angles. But the last one, that is the triangle. If you are pressing it, there will be no change in the angles of a triangle. Clear? So this is all about angles. Today up to this you go through in your book and read it, and if you have any doubts, let me know over the e-portal. Okay, so practice up to page number 27, and if you have any queries, ask me in the e-portal. Thank you all of you.